Okay, hello guys. Today I will review or unboxing this new release Starlink Battle for Atlas Nintendo Switch version. So say that the game is included inside and with all those toys. So let's check it out. So this is the content for the inside. So you will get the two characters from the game, Mason and Fox. Of course, in the Switch version they have the Fox McCloud to gain the advantage for Nintendo fans. So yeah, smart move by Ubisoft. And they get the R-Wing with the two accessory. And this is the backside. So this is the manual footage from the game. And then what else? Yeah, this is how you attach the toys to the controller. And then yeah, I think that's it. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, hello guys. Now let's see what's inside. Came with the game, of course. This is the most important, I think. And then came with the toys and also the poster. Yeah, poster. Yeah, poster. And let's put aside first. And let's go and see the toys. Okay, we start from the toys first with the ship. So the R-Wing, I think it's nicely done, but it's kind of light. I mean, not too heavy, and yeah. This the R-Wing, and then this is the grip for the controller. So it's supposed to put this ship above this controller. And let's see the other accessory. Yeah, the flamethrower. And the frost barrage, I think. Yeah. And the pilot, Fox McCloud. Okay. And Mason, the protagonist for this game. So actually it's not the Starfox game, it's Starlink with Fox McCloud and his R-Wing and also his team helping out the story for all the storyline in the Starlink. So but everyone, they are looking for this Switch version because of the course Fox McCloud, because every Nintendo fan, they want to have another Starfox game. And I think after this release, and because of also Ubisoft and Nintendo relationship become more, I think their relationship is really good after several projects, including this Starlink. So maybe in the future we will see another Starfox, maybe developing by Ubisoft and of course Nintendo. So let's take a look at this, how to attach all the items and then see how it run on the game. So let's check it out. Okay, so let's attach all the items. So first the pilot. You see, they all have the connectors. So the connectors, I think this is like a chip, and then it will connect it to the game through this system. So just attach like that, and put your ship above, and also this have the connector, and this is the connector, and put that. Okay, so just like that, you attach this ship, and then attach the accessory. Also, they have the connector. So all this connector, I think it's kind of like a electronic circuit inside. So I think we'll connect it to the game in actual games. So let's just connect it all together. And yeah, this is the for the controller. So I don't know. I would play the game with this controller because it's, I think, quite heavy. But let's see and check the game and how does it feel using this controller. Anyway, just let's check the game anyway. Okay, hello guys, so now we are going to try the game. So after we download the updates quite sometimes before, we can now try the game. Okay, Battle for Atlas. So yeah, this is the game. Let's try. Press A to start. Log in. This is the how to use the Starlink. So actually you can build your own ship, you can modify it, and this is how your Joy-Con attach, and then put the pilot like I did before. So this is what it look like when it attached together. Okay, so you can choose any pilot. Like for example, I have two pilots, so you can choose between those two, and you can also purchase others, including their ships, different accessory. You can customize your ship, and then you can build your own ship. Like it's really unique, depends on you. So yeah, you can change the accessory, change the wings, yeah, pretty much everything inside the ship or on the ship you can remove and attach. Okay, that's the whole tutorial. So let's just play the game. Choose the just the normal one. Okay, so after a long process for updating, we can continue. And yes, this is Fox McCloud. So let's try to check the accessory. So I removed this frost barrage, and it's disappear on the screen, right? So it's really connected to this system.
Jewel of the Pleiades. Look! Welcome to Atlas. Let's rock and roll, boys.
Okay, Fox, we're close enough to hail them. I'm patching you through now. Identify yourself.
So yeah, the control is quite smooth.
We're Starfox. We thought you could use a hand with these punks.
Where did these guys come from? We could use a few extra ships. Team, what do you think?
They seem friendly enough. Boom! Take that! Whoa! These guys are good.
Interesting, really
Nice work, new kid.
really good mechanics, and well put gameplay, I think, for the first impression.
Do you read me? I repeat, the Equinox has crashed. All pilots nothing's getting through. All this interference. Flight engines are down. Guess I'm on reserve power. Gotta find the boys. Oh, you want a dead?
Enemy analysis complete. Recommend short-range weaponry.
Looks like that ship. The Equinox. Oh, what
Whoa.
now?
Enemy analysis
I
complete.
really like it. It's
Recommend elemental combination.
good gameplay, I think.
Peppy, everyone okay?
Fox, is it? Well, we were ambushed. Whoever attacked us kidnapped our captain during the battle. We appreciate your help, though.
Well, they're not gonna get away with that. Come on, let's go get them.
We can't. Those freaks who took St. Grand also stole our reactor. There's a backup, but until we get more fuel, we're not going anywhere.
Gotta be something we can do in practice.
So I will end my review. I will check again if there's anything wrong with the controller, but so far it's quite nice, quite good. The gameplay for the game is, I think, is okay, and I haven't played for long and just played now with you. And first impression, it's nice to see Fox McCloud back on the Nintendo system. That's what the Nintendo fans want for years, I think. And hopefully Ubisoft, they will develop another project with Nintendo and making new Starfox game. Hopefully, that's our hope. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next review.